I am Vignesh. Today I am going to take the seminar on the topic magnetic resonance imaging. Uh, these are the topics we are going to cover today. Introduction, what does an MRI show, principle of working, block diagram of an MRI, parts of MRI, what's the difference between MRI scan and CT scan and its uses. Introduction. An MRI or magnetic resonance imaging scan is a painless test that produces very clear images of the organs and structures inside your body. MRI uses a large magnet, radio waves, and a computer to produce these digital images. What does an MRI show? A magnetic resonance imaging produces detailed images of your inside of your body. You can view the brain and surrounding nerve tissues, organs inside your chest and abdomen, including your heart, liver, biliary tract, kidney, spleen, your spine and spinal cord, blood vessels, and lymph nodes. Principle of working. Certain atomic nuclei is able to absorb and emit radio frequency energy when placed in a magnetic field. Human body consists of proton. All protons spin, creating a magnetic charge. So when an external magnetic field is applied, proton will now align to the direction of magnetic field. Radio frequency waves are applied to the proton. When the applied radio wave is stopped, the proton returns back to magnetic field position, releasing its electromagnetic energy. Block diagram of an MRI. Parts of MRI: big power magnet, gradient coil, radio frequency amplifier, radio frequency receiver, advanced computer, imaging device. Big power magnet. It is circular in shape, produce a uniform magnetic field around the patient. Gradient coil adjusts magnetic field in the smaller section to produce different magnetic strength on body parts. XYZ amplifier. It fixes the region to be scanned and also dependent on portion of XYZ magnetic field. RF generator. Radio frequency waves are applied to the patient. It produces a resonance. Radio frequency receiver. Radio frequency waves are collected or detected from the patient. Advanced computer. Advanced computer receives the image and it combines and forms the dimensional results. Imaging device. It can store, display and print the three-dimensional scanned report. RF amplifier. It is used to adjust radio waves. Now we are going to see the difference between MRI scan and CT scan. Magnetic resonance imaging uses magnets, radio waves, and a computer to create images of your inside of your body, whereas computer tomography uses X-rays and computers. Healthcare providers often prefer to use MRI scans and CT scans to look at the non-body parts or soft tissues inside your body. MRI scans are also safer since they don't use any damaging ionizing radiations or X-rays. The uses. The follow of the examples in which MRI scan would be used: anomalies of the brain and spinal cord, breast cancer screening for women who face a high risk of breast cancer, injuries or abnormalities of the joints such as back and knee, certain types of heart problems, suspected uterine anomalies in women undergoing evaluation for infertility. Thank you.